In this video series, we'll cover the evolution of the kitchen to what we all recognise today. Hopefully, this not only provides some interesting information, but also explains a few reasons why your kitchen might be the way it is. But we know a kitchen is more than just a space. Just like the first kitchen, it was a place to come and share stories. And just like our modern kitchen, it's a place to build memories that last a lifetime. Hi, it's Darren here from Renovation Insider. Let's go back in time to where the first signs of a kitchen came to be, with the fire. There is no doubt throughout history plenty of animals have been able to benefit from fire, such as birds of prey taking advantage of bushfire. However, no animal has been able to tame and control fire as humans have. Early humans would have always been aware of naturally occurring fires around them. Evolutionists theorise that over time pre-humans learn how to make primitive fires using sticks and flint, or by using pre-existing fires to create new ones. Scientists also think that learning to make and control fire was most likely one of the most important discoveries made by pre-humans, and dramatically helped some of us evolve into the humans we see today. Only joking. So how did fire not only affect our human behaviour and society, but also helped evolve our biology, most likely increasing our brain size at the same time? Whether through trial and error, or just good luck, humans began to discover the benefits of cooking food. One of the first benefits of cooking food was the fact that it tenderised it, particularly with meats, making it easier to consume. Secondly, people would get less sick less often by cooking. The process of cooking removes harmful bacteria and pathogens from raw food, allowing for safer eating. Cooking food also improves digestion and increases the absorption of many nutrients. For example, the protein in cooked eggs is 180% more digestible than that of raw eggs. Furthermore, disease was less likely to come about as these foods could now stay edible for longer periods of time and be stored for many more days, allowing for less time hunting and using this energy for other areas of the day. The effect of all of this is evident in fossil records. In past eons, our skull size began to get larger, which is a direct indicator of an increase in brain size and functionality. Additionally, to improving our nutrition and preventing sickness, there was other benefits to fire for humans. On top of using fire for the purpose of cooking, it also allowed early societies to form tighter groups. The fire or hearth became a place to share the adventures of the day, provide important lessons that everyone should know about, give a chance for elders to pass on important knowledge, and to also tell tall stories about your abilities. Not much has changed, has it? We also talked in our small snippet about the benefits of natural light to our brain. This also means that the first humans had developed great sleep patterns without the modern artificial lights keeping them awake. This aided in the growth of dreaming and helped them better remember tasks and develop new skills. It also helped keeping the predators away. Phew, it's hard covering a couple 100,000 years in a minute or two. Next time we move on to the era around the 1700s, with some of the next big steps towards our modern kitchen. So how did fire not only affect our human behaviour and society, but also helped evolve our biology, most likely increasing our brain size at the same time? Oh, and for me, finding out about the impacts of artificial light on our sleeping has been a big eye-opener. And as you'll see with the rest of the journey of kitchens, sometimes humans need to understand that just because we can doesn't mean we should.